Hey there, I'm Niranjan. I'm a full-time AI ML engineer. This is a side project that I've been building over the weekend. I'm trying to build a TTS engine for the MacOS ecosystem. Let me give you a short demo on what was built. So this project is a Python-based application. So what it does is I try to look for the option key on the macOS. So I'm using option key as the hotkey. So when you double tap on option key, no matter what you select on your screen, that will be converted into speech. So let me just show you how that works. Right now, let me go to this Hugging Face. I'm just selecting this. This is on my screen again. It's not a Chrome extension. This happens throughout the system on the macOS. So I just need to double tap on option. So before I do that, let me just show you the application running. So here is the application running on the background. It's just a Python file for now. Since this being an open source project, you can expect improvements over different iterations. If I just double tap on option.
Every year our hardware is a little more powerful, our models a little smarter for each parameter. In 2025, it is more feasible than ever to run truly competitive models on device. Dots OCR, a 3B parameter OCR model from...
So as you can see, the audio output is pretty clean and it sounds pretty good. The application itself is running over the Kokoro TTS backend. I really like the model, and this is a complete open source model that anyone can run. So I just kind of added a wrapper around this system that exists already. If I just go to any other blog, for example, there's a self-driving truck startup blog on TechCrunch. So if I just select something, you can just see
Einride, the Swedish startup known for its unusual looking electric and autonomous pods that are designed to carry freight.
So you can just stop the speech output using the escape key. That's another hotkey that I'm actively monitoring. All you have to do is kind of give your terminal the access from your settings on your macOS to let it monitor for hotkeys, utilize the audio playback, and also this supports multiple languages, not just English. So in English itself, I try to support American English, British English, just as what the Kokoro model is doing. And I'm also trying to add support for Spanish, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese. This is an open source side project that I'm trying to build. Yeah, I hope you like it. There's a roadmap where I'm potentially trying to have better throughput for the system, because the system also handles long formers. For example, if I select a huge chunk of text like this, it would be able to process it as well, because I added in a piece of windowing technique. I would say it's like a streaming kind of output. As soon as a chunk of text audio is available, it'll start streaming it out. I hope you like this. Yeah, do let me know if you have any further questions on how to run this. And yes, there is for non-tech folk out there who are watching this, I know you're pretty interested in this because this is an open source version. It's free to run on your macOS. It runs on your system. So I'm also looking forward to some support from the open source community so that I can package this whole thing into one application that can just be run locally.